In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert picture caption list layouts in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to add the layouts. This is helpful when you want to present images in a clean, organized format with captions underneath or beside them, all within your worksheet. Once your workbook is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains the tools for adding visual elements and objects into your sheet. From there, look for Smart Art in the Illustrations group and click it. This will open the Smart Art graphic window where you can choose from different visual layout options. In the menu on the left side of that window, click Picture. This category includes layouts designed specifically for combining images with text. After that, find the picture caption list layout, select it, and then click OK. Excel will place the picture caption list directly onto your worksheet. Now that the layout is added, you can start inserting images. Click one of the picture icons inside the Smart Art graphic. Excel will give you several options for where to get your image, such as this device, web search, stock images, or icons. In this example, use stock images. When the dialog box appears, choose the image you want and click Insert. Give Excel a moment to place the image into the layout, then repeat the same process for the other picture tiles until your list is complete. Next, add your captions. Click on a tile to open the text pane, then type your text into the field provided. This is where you can add titles, short descriptions, or any other supporting text for each image. If you do not want text to appear for a specific tile, remove the placeholder carefully by typing any character first and then deleting it again. This helps make sure the placeholder text disappears completely and does not remain visible in the final layout. If you need more tiles, click an existing tile and look for the plus icons that appear on its sides. Click one of those to add another tile. If you want to remove a tile, click it to select it, then use the trash icon that appears. This makes it easy to adjust the layout depending on how many images and captions you need. And that's it. You now know how to insert a picture caption list layout in Excel and customize it with your own images and text for a polished visual presentation.